Good morning, student. In the yesterday's class, we have taken exercise 1.1 in the chapter integer. First problem we have completed. About a number line is given: Srinagar, Lahore City, Ooty, Bengaluru, and so many names they are given. We have calculated the numbers. What is the temperature? What is in increase in temperature? Decrease in temperature? We have calculated. Today we will do the second question. What is the second question given? In a quiz competition, one person is participating and in the 5 successive round he is getting some point. First successive round 25 is getting, second successive round -5 he is getting, third successive round -10, and fourth successive round 15, and the next one 10. So 5 successive round he is getting some points. What they are asking at the end of the competition, quiz competition, what is his total point? So what you have to do? You have to add everything as per the minus sign, as per the plus sign. So what I am doing in simple way, what are the point he is getting in positive, I am adding first that one. What are the number positive here? 25 is positive, 15 is positive, 10 is positive. So I am adding all the positive. So 25 plus of 15 plus of 10. How much you will get? 25 plus of 15, 5, 5, 10, one remainder 40. 40 plus of 10, you will get 50 point. Positive mark. That means plus mark is getting plus points. 25, 15, 10. How many minus point is getting? -5 and -10. So if you add -5, I told you that minus you have to plus, but minus sign will be there. So what is the answer here? -5 plus of -10. What is your answer? 15. That means what? -15. Then what you have to do? Positive point is 50. Negative point is 15. What is its total? So directly minus. So marks points received or secured. Point secured is how much? 50 plus of minus. 50 plus of minus 15. What is the answer? What you will be getting here? 50 minus of 15. How much you will get? 10 minus 5, 5. And 4 here, 4 minus 3, 3. So he secured a mark of 35 points. See, once again I will repeat. In a quiz, positive points are there, negative points are there. So positive point I am counting together, I am getting 50 points. When I am counting the negative point, I am getting minus 15 points. So what is his total point? 15 plus of minus 15. Then plus minus, bracket means it will become minus. 50 minus of 15 equal to 35 points he has got. He has received. Okay, that is your second problem. So his point is 35 points. Okay, third problem. That is also interesting problem. In Srinagar on Monday, -5 degrees centigrade temperature is there. In Srinagar on Monday, -5 degree temperature is there. After next day, it is dropping by 2 degrees centigrade. Dropping by 2 degrees centigrade Celsius. What is the temperature on Tuesday? What is the question? On Monday, Srinagar temperature -5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, it is dropping by 2 degrees Celsius. That means what? It is minusing. Dropping means that day I told in the first day itself. Drop means minus. So on Monday, 5 degree, -5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, it is dropping. So what do you have to do? -5 minus of 2 you have to do. So on Monday, -5 degrees centigrade. On Tuesday, 2 degree. What is the meaning? Drop. So drop means what? Coming down. So it is -2 degree. So what is the particularly on Tuesday? What is the temperature? Therefore, on Tuesday What is the temperature? -5 minus of -2. -5 minus of -2. Minus means what you have to do? Addition you have to do. Your sign will be minus. So this is your temperature on Tuesday. It is dropping. See, you remember -7 is lesser than -2. -7 is lesser than -5. Number might be bigger, but minus is coming means it is a small number. Understood? So the temperature on Tuesday is -7 degrees centigrade. Then next question also they are asking. What is that? Wednesday. From this temperature, -7 degree, Tuesday is there. From this temperature, Wednesday it is increasing, rose by 4. Rose means what? Increasing. Increasing means positive. So on Wednesday, if I am writing, on Wednesday, temperature is rose by 4 degrees centigrade. Temperature rose by 4 degrees centigrade. That means it is increasing plus 4 degree. Okay. Then what you have to do? From Tuesday you have to add the 4 on Wednesday. So therefore temperature on Wednesday equal to -7 plus of 4. See, -7 plus of 4. -7 is what? Negative number. This is positive number. So negative positive is there. Means what you have to do? Subtraction you have to do. So 7 is greater here. 7 minus 4, you will be getting 3 degrees centigrade, and your greater number is having a negative sign. You have to put negative because you are minusing from the minus greater number. So you have to put -3 degrees centigrade. So temperature on Wednesday rose by 4. Rose by 4 means increasing. So you want to add with the Tuesday temperature. So automatically -7 plus of 4, your answer will be -3 degrees centigrade. This is your question number 3. Srinagar temperature is given. It is drop means minus. Then we are finding adding that one. You are getting the -7 degree. Then on next day, Wednesday temperature is increasing, rose. You have to add 4 degree with the Tuesday temperature. You will get the answer. Okay. That is the third question. Fourth question. Understood second and third? We will go for the fourth. In fourth problem very easy. What is that? A plane is flying above the sea level. A plane is flying above the sea level. How much height? 500 meter. 500 meter height. The plane is flying. Okay. And similarly, below the water, a submarine is going. Below the water, a submarine is traveling. At what height? From the sea level, 1200 meter. What they are asking? What is the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine? What is the distance from plane height to the submarine height? You have to add. So add the height. So add the distance. Add the distance. What is the plane distance? Plane distance is 500 meter. Plus of what is the height of the submarine going inside the water? 1200 meter. You have to add both the number. What you will get? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, and 5 plus 1, 600. So 600 meter is the answer. Very simple problem. You see, height of the plane we know, height of the submarine we know. What is the total distance, vertical distance there? So you have to add 5000 and 1200. Arrive the answer in meter. Okay, that is the fourth question. Then fifth question. It is also another interesting type. What is it given? You see, one person depositing money 2000 rupees in a bank. After some time, he is withdrawing money from the bank. How much he is withdrawing? 1642 rupees he is taking out from the bank. I told you, deposit means you are adding money. So it is plus. They are asking, in what sign you will represent the deposit money? You are adding the money in your account. So minus 1642 rupees. So when you are withdrawing means minus you have to put. When you are putting money means you have to put addition of sign. Then what they are asking, 2000 rupees is deposited, 1642 rupees is taking out. So amount बाकी कितना बैंक में minus ही बोल minus ही. How will you minus? Here 0 carrying 1 it will become 10. Here it will become 10. You are borrowing so it will become 9. Here becoming 10 it will becoming 9 and here 1 is there. So you minus from this one. 10 minus 2 8. 9 minus 4 5. 9 minus 6 3. So what is the balance amount in the bank? He will be having a amount of balance amount in the bank is 358 rupees. That's all one answer. Okay. And they are asking how will you represent deposit and the withdrawal? I told you earlier. When you are depositing means your money is added. So you are writing it as plus 2000. When you are withdrawing means taking out money means you are removing the money from the bank. So you have to write it as minus 1642. Understood? So remaining how much money? Just subtraction. 2000 minus of 1642 you will get 358 rupees. 358 rupees. So that is fifth question. All of you understanding it? That is fifth question. Sixth question. That is another type of problem. What is that? A line I have drawn. A point I have made. B point I have made. And from B I have drawn 30 kilometer here. From A I have drawn 20 kilometer there. And this side east side, this side west side. Diagram also given in the textbook. What they are asking, when a person move from a point A towards the east side 20 kilometer, he reach the point B. What is that? From A point, one person is moving from A to B 20 kilometer. Once again, that same person returning back from B to final position towards west. Understood? So when you are moving right side, what you will put for integer, which sign you will put in the number line? When you are moving right side, what is the numbers you will be getting? Positive number. So what you have to write? From A to B 20 kilometer. What is that? It is positive sign because he is moving towards right side. And from B to final position, from B to final point. Final point. What is getting? From B to final point. 30 kilometer he is traveling. 30 kilometer is traveling. But he is coming in the reverse direction. So you have to write it as minus. Clear? So what is your question? They are asking when he going from A to B 20 kilometer and B to final point 30 kilometer, final position from A to the final point is how much? Final position from A point is how much? They are asking. Therefore, final position. Therefore, final point. What you have to do? From this number, you have to add the distance. Both the distance you add it, you will get the answer. That is a total. See, this is positive, this is negative. You have to add both. So add both. Minus 30 plus of 20. How much distance is? How much distance is from A to this remaining point? Plus minus 30 plus of 20. What is your answer? 0 0. One is minus, one is plus. You have to do subtraction. So 30 minus 20 how much? 10. 10 in negative because our number is negative number. Our 30 number is negative number. Negative 30 plus of 20. So difference is 30 minus 20 10. 30 is greater number. We are putting the minus. So the distance between the A point and the final point is minus 10 kilometer. Understood? In the minus direction because he is returning back. So minus 10 kilometer. So question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6 we have completed, and some other integer problem is there that we will take it in the next class. Okay, you have to write all the things in your fair notebook. Okay, thank you.